These two are exercising their rights to the backyard. One comes every year and this time comes back with a friend. How awesome. It's beautiful out here this morning. Breeze, sound of the trees swaying in the wind, the birds chirping, nature doing its thing. You learn so much from nature. You ever get down, sad, depressed, anxious, make your way outside. Learn from nature. Standing tall, the trees, do what they do best. They listen. They observe. They watch. Some of the same things we practice on our yoga mats. Be the watcher. No need to change, no need to fix, no need to judge. Just observe. Happy Friday, and I hope whatever you do today, I hope it brings you joy, peace, calm, ease, comfort. And that way you can share positivity. You can activate creativity, productivity. And optimism. You will thrive. You will grow. You will be kinder, more loving to yourself and to others around you, simply because you spend time observing nature and in turn observing yourself, because we are part of nature. We are one with all things. Two friends are getting closer. Hope you can see them. They're out here enjoying the backyard. going to enjoy my coffee, sitting here, just listening, just soaking, just absorbing all of this. So you go on and have yourself an amazing Friday. Keep transforming. Keep creating a better version of yourself. One breath, one movement at a time. I'll see you soon. Have a fantastic Friday with so much love. Namaste.